Now, we just reported yesterday how 2 kids had died in Lucas County following complications with the flu. And tonight, we've got the latest data on how many cases of flu there are across the county and the options available that you have to fight it. Michael Sandlin joins us in studio. So, Michael, let's start with the latest data. What do you got?
Yeah, Jeff, the Lucas County Health Department just shared their latest data this afternoon, showing in the last few weeks the number of flu hospitalizations has nearly doubled, with 64 people admitted in just 1 week. Now, it lines up with the state data, which shows that we're in the peak of the flu season so far. So I spoke to a pediatrician to help parents look for signs for when it's time to seek medical help, and I got the latest on Lucas County's vaccine efforts.
I think it's always a possibility that kids can die from influenza A or any virus. I think the importance is knowing when to intervene.
Carrie Baker is a nurse practitioner at Maumee Bay Pediatrics in Oregon. She says as the flu season ramps up, it's important to be on the lookout for signs your child needs medical help.
If your child is lethargic, hard to arouse, not taking fluids, or you have fevers that are not being able to at least come down with Tylenol or Motrin, then you need to seek out seeing your physician.
Baker says extreme cases are uncommon. In fact, she's personally never seen an influenza death. But she says cases that get out of hand are a real threat.
But we have had actually three pediatric patients this year alone that we have had to admit for influenza and influenza-like symptoms that we're just not resolving.
To try to prevent situations like this, the Lucas County Health Department offers walk-in vaccine clinics for both adults and minors. And they say more people have come in since the death of the 2 children were announced.
I think that anytime there's a death over a preventative illness, it's shocking to the whole community.
But they say numbers are still lower than they would like. Only 11 people had come in when I had visited them Thursday afternoon. But they encourage everyone to get their shots.
Protects you as a person against severe illness, hospitalization, death, but also herd immunity protects our entire communities.
So I thought I would do my part.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
What does her poke?
It's really not that bad.
There. No.
Well, thank you.
You are most welcome.
Health department leaders tell me if you want to get a flu or COVID vaccine, you can walk in at any time, and affordable options are available for people who need it. Reporting in studio, I'm Michael Sandlin for WTOL 11.